guys, welcome back. Today we're making this quick and easy homemade mac and cheese recipe the whole family will enjoy. If you would like to see it, keep on watching. Be sure to subscribe if you're new. Also, a thumbs up if the video was helpful. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. All right, here are the ingredients you'll need. I'm using 1 tablespoon of Creole seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, and a teaspoon of onion powder. Here I have 3 tablespoons unsalted butter. Over here I have some sour cream. You cannot make mac and cheese without sour cream. It's a no for me, okay? And here I have some cream cheese as well, 4 ounces of each, the sour cream and the cream cheese. I have 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour here, and over here I have a teaspoon of minced garlic. For my pasta, I'm using elbow-shaped pasta, and I'm using 1.5 cups of the pasta. For the cheese, I'm using 2 different types of cheese, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of 4 Mexican cheese. Now you can use whatever cheese that you like, yellow cheddar, Colby Jack, Velveeta, whatever floats your boat. I'll be adding 1 cup of whole milk in there as well. Now I didn't show you guys, I'm using chicken broth to boil my pasta. Just follow the direction on the box to boil the pasta. Once your pasta is cooked, it's al dente, just pour the hot water out and pour some cold water on it, drain it, then we can start cooking. Now my pasta is nice and done. I'm using the same pot, the same saucepan that I use to boil the pasta. I added the butter in there. Once my butter is melted, I am going in with the garlic. Now I am going to cook the garlic until it's nice and golden brownish, but don't overcook the garlic, guys. Okay, it's gonna give you like a golden color. Then you can go ahead and add your flour. We're going to cook the flour because you want to remove the raw flour taste. So fry the flour for about, I'll say 30 seconds to a minute. Then we're going to add in the milk. Once I added the milk in, I am going in with the sour cream and as well as the cream cheese. Here I am going to add the cheese. Like I said, you can use whatever cheese that you like. I liked using both of those cheese. Sometimes I do like to add some Colby Jack cheese in there as well, but I didn't have any, so we'll go for those 2 for now. Once it's nice and melted, you can go ahead and add your seasoning. Also, you can add salt if needed. Once the cheese is melted, we're going to add in the pasta. Now remember, I told you guys to drain the water from the pasta. Be sure to not add any excess water to this cheese because it'll ruin it, okay? Make sure you add your pasta in dry and there's no extra water into the pasta, all right? Give it a nice stir until the cheese is well combined with the pasta. Then we're going to pour it in a baking dish and bake it. All right, for my baking dish, I like to add some butter so my mac and cheese doesn't stick into the baking dish. Then I add the mac and cheese in there, and then we're going to add some more cheese on top of it. Then we can bake it. I am baking mine on 350 for 30 minutes. Okay, uncovered for 30 minutes. This is it. Once it is done, you have this beautiful golden brown with the nice golden brown top mac and cheese. It's homemade, and trust me, it tastes so good because it's made with love. All right, the whole family will love this recipe. Try it out. Let me know what you think, and if you want to add anything else to it, of course you can, because at the end of the day, it's your food. It's going in your stomach. Okay, try it out. Let me know how you guys like it. I love mac and cheese, and this is the recipe. Stay tuned. I will be adding another recipe very soon. Stay tuned to see it. Thank you for watching. Also, share my videos, please, guys, if you can. Also, thumbs up whenever you can, because that helps me a lot so I can keep posting more videos for you guys. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.